Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name.
Hello, how are you going everybody? I hope you're all well today. This is Crypto Simplified, and in today's video I'll be doing an update on CheersLand, what changes they've been making in the past week and how this might be a good opportunity for you. By the way, I've already made a video outlining what CheersLand is all about, so if you want a more detailed explanation, please check out the video which will pop up in the top right of your screen about now. By the way, if you want to jump ahead in today's video, you'll see the timestamps in the description. So just to let you know what I'll be talking about for today, firstly I'll be doing a brief recap about what CheersLand does and stuff that I didn't cover in my last video, such as tokenomics, social media presence, security audit, and then I'll quickly look at their roadmap. After that, I'll introduce the new and exciting developments in the past week or so, such as current and upcoming new minigame release, new stake-to-earn tokens, new partnerships, and new mining pool. So before we get started though, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay then, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so just to review what CheersLand actually does, it basically gives its users who play the mini-games on their site the opportunity to win rewards such as gaming NFTs and whitelisting for upcoming IGO spots which they may carry out on their site. So basically, if you like playing games and you stake some of your tokens on their stake to earn, you'll get some HP, which will allow you to play their games, which in turn will earn you points in their rankings list. The higher your points, then the higher your rankings and the more rewards like gaming NFTs and whitelisting spots for the upcoming IGOs you'll be able to get. Hope that makes sense. So let's check out their tokenomics. There'll be a total supply of 100 million cheers. 1 million will go to the founding community, 6.2 million to the seed round, 18.5 million for the private sale, 4.8 million to the public sale, 2.5 million to liquidity provision, 10 million for marketing and another 10 million for play to earn, 5 million for build to earn, 13 million for the ecosystem incentives, 12 million to the team and 7 million to advisors, and finally 10 million for the ecosystem grants. As for their social media presence, their Twitter followers have reached a 22.2k and their Telegram official community chat group is packed with 26k active members. The Telegram news channel has 24k, and there's even an Indian, Russian and Turkish speaking CheersLand communities which have been set up by the loyal followers. And the CheersLand community just keeps on growing, and I expect the community to grow even further over the coming months. As for the security audit, Solidity Finance did a complete audit on CheersLand back in August and have absolute confidence and trust that the team have substantial control in the ecosystem, which will prevent any unwarranted attacks and hacks that we've seen on other platforms. Okay then, let's move on to the roadmap. By the way, the token isn't actually out yet, but it is due to come out sometime later this month, maybe around the 25th. And if you look closely at the roadmap, you can see they are hitting their targets pretty nicely. So now is actually a good opportunity to actually use the protocol, play some of the games, and familiarize yourself about how it works. You never know, you might be in for a surprise when their token is actually released. Okay, so right now they only have the one mini game, Crypto Pirates, which is pretty cool, and if you are like me and don't really want a super complicated game and just like to play around in your free time without thinking too hard, it should be a pretty good fit. I've managed to get myself in the top 100 pretty easily just by staking some BNB for 24 hours and just navigating my little boat around those whirlpools. Also, according to Twitter, in 2 weeks or so, or a little less, they'll be releasing Click 2, which is their new mini-game. Not sure what this game entails, but I'm really looking forward to try it out. The token hasn't even come out yet, but it seems that the team is working really hard and they're already on their second game, which can earn you points for future rewards, which is pretty cool. Okay, so the tokens that you can stake to earn HP or health points seems to be increasing all the time. Recently they added Metax, Rucka, Chai, and BNX, and also BSCL is now listed on their multi-asset staking platform. So users can stake these tokens, more and more of these, to earn HP and enjoy the journey of play to earn without payment. New partnerships have also been added. Just this month, they have partnered with the Crypto Lifestyle, Pro Starter, Alexander Kondrashov, Crypto Players India, Regain Ventures, Dreamboat Capital, Poker X, Whitelist Ventures, and J8 Ventures. Seriously hard to keep track of all these. A new mining pool has also been added. Recently, CheersLand team have added a new offer, new mining farm pools to their site. So you can do single-sided staking or LP staking with your Metax or TrustFi token and earn decent APR. Alright then, so there you go. CheersLand is planning to come out later on this month. Unfortunately, the details of the exact day or the platform are as of yet unknown. I really like the way they are encouraging and incentivizing gamers and new projects to their site and meeting the needs of both. Maybe they have found a nice little niche for themselves. Okay then, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave any comments you like, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe so you can get more content like this. Bye for now everyone, and